Director of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Yumnam Ranjan says electronic point-of-sale machines will oust fake NFSA beneficiaries. JMM Congress GRD alliance is all set to form a new government in Jharkhand. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibete Tokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Electronic point-of-sale machines will be installed at every distribution point of PDS items under National Food Security Act. Director of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Yumnam Ranjan, said that fake NFSA beneficiaries will no longer be able to get rice distributed under the Act with the new arrangement. He was speaking at the National Consumers' Day observance held at Wankhai Durga Puja Lampak in Imphal East today. Consumers Club Manipur, in association with Young Voluntary Organization Wankhai and Wankhai Durga Puja Lampak Women's Welfare Organization, organized the event. Yumnam Ranjan urged every consumer to check MRP and weights of products before purchasing the items. People of the area attended the event.
Consumer Protection Act in consumers ki rights ki safeguard tobada kwaitagi magi mapangan piriba adugumba act amani masi CAF and PDG makhada koi district forum mayam linkhatle state commission linkhatle leti yolba mayam simagi MRP je thabra thadabra adugumba yengba adugumba waste suna bagi thambibra on bada adugumba unfair practices mayam leibra du se tawruga leiba department amani.
ICAR Breed Conservation Award 2019 has been conferred upon Dr. T.H. Ranadhir, head of the Department of Animal Sciences, College of Agriculture, Central Agricultural University, Imphal. He was conferred upon the prestigious award in recognition of his significant role in preserving the endangered species of Manipuri pony. He received the award during Kishan Divas held at ICAR National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources at Karnal in Haryana on December 23. It may be mentioned that Dr. T.H. Ranadhir did his PhD on the thesis, status and characterization of Manipuri pony and made great contribution in recognizing the Manipuri pony as a national level registered breed. Dr. T.H. Ranadhir, under the supervision of COW Vice Chancellor Professor M. Premjit, had reared 12 female ponies at the mini pony farm at Iroishemba, and within a short span of 2 years, the number of ponies rose to 34. Chief Minister Nongthomen Biren has greeted the people of Manipur, especially the Christian community, on the auspicious and sacred day of Christmas, which is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. And Biren urged the people to uphold and spread the message of Lord Jesus for peace, brotherhood and forgiveness. He said that the festival provides an opportunity to forget ill wills and misgivings. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit has extended heartiest greetings to the people of the state, especially the Christian brethren, on the auspicious occasion of Christmas festival, which is celebrated with religious fervor and gaiety, commemorating the birth of Lord Jesus Christ. The minister wished for the festival to renew the spirit of brotherhood and usher in unity, prosperity and peaceful coexistence amongst all the communities of the state. Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen has also greeted the people of Manipur on the eve of Christmas. Nemcha Kipgen wishes that the festival may bring love, peace, harmony and development in Manipur. Mahut Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar has also greeted the people of the state, especially the Christian brethren, on the auspicious occasion of Christmas festival. The minister wished for the festival to bring peace, prosperity and harmony in the state. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, CADA, has also greeted the people of the state, especially the Christian community, on the eve of Christmas. CADA wishes that the festival may bring peace and a healthy society free from intoxicants. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on formation of a new government in Jharkhand. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you are watching Afternoon News. JMM Congress RJD Alliance is set to form a new government in Jharkhand. The alliance has won 47 seats in the 81-member assembly while BJP got 25 seats. The JMM bagged 30 and the Congress 16 seats, while Jharkhand Vikas Morcha has won 3 seats, AJSU bagged 2. RJD, NCP and CPI-ML have bagged 1 seat each. 2 independent candidates were also declared elected. Polling for the 81-member state assembly took place in 5 phases between 38th of November and 28th of December. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has congratulated Hemant Soren and the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha-led alliance for the victory in the Jharkhand polls. Now the sports news. Indian weightlifter Rakhi Halder, with creating 2 new national records, claims a bronze medal in the women's 64 kg weight category at the Qatar International Cup in Doha. The Commonwealth Championship gold medalist superseded the senior national record in both snatch and total lift with her personal best effort of 218 kg, 95 kg in the snatch with 123 kg in clean and jerk last night. At the Commonwealth Championship in June, Halder had cleansed the goal with a combined effort of 214 kg, including 94 kg and 120 kg in clean and jerk. Manipur Kung Fu team left Imphal today for participating in the 5th National Kung Fu Championship 2019 organized by Kung Fu Sports Association Maharashtra under the aegis of All India Kung Fu Federation. Altogether, 58 Kung Fu players from Manipur, including girls, will take part in the 3-day championship to be held at Pune Sai Baba Sevadham Kanhe Pataf from December 28. Manipur team is led by S. Rajeshwar as team manager and Washington Maitai as team coach and S. Rohit Kumar as assistant team coach. General Secretary of All India Kung Fu Federation Dr. H. Raman is a team official. Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. Director of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Yumnam Ranjan says electronic point of sale machines will oust fact NFSA beneficiary. And JMM Congress RJD Alliance is all set to form a new government in Jharkhand.